And for this video I was to do a Sunday reset, but I ended up going out for food with Danny, so this vlog kind of extended into a few days. I put up on my TikTok stories though what you wanted to see, and anyone that answered said vlogs, so hopefully you like this. If I bore you, please don't tell me because it will hurt my feelings. Looking down here, I have like stuff there that I need to film videos on, put them all away. I did like change my bed and stuff already. I need to do a little Sunday reset. I need to get everything just ready for the week. I need to go out also. Danny's gonna help me get like a picture and a reel for Scuffers because I got sent a hoodie. Getting ready though, I want to make one of the like cute little get ready with me's for TikTok that are sideways and you make all like the sound effects and stuff. I want to do that now. I need to get a blow dryer, just wash my hair. I'm just gonna whack on music and get this done. This is my little tripod. I have clips attached to her because I have nowhere else for them to go. So this is, I think, the angle I'm gonna go for. I don't know though, I feel like I'm finding it so hard to like center myself. So just got my hair blow dried before I start filming that, just because it looks better blow dried. I'm kind of thinking as well, I wish I had like an iced coffee or something for it. I actually don't think we have ice though, because I have a really cute cup and I think it'd be cute for like the sound effect. Just do this, that type of sound effect. Spray tan lip plumper, no joke if you swallow it. This is actually so fun, like I actually just keep like forgetting that I'm vlogging as well because I'm just like locked into this. But I keep making the sound effects that I want with my mouth, so I'm going like tap tap tap, like so it's gonna look like I'm actually okay, I'll come back to here when I'm ready. Already, I actually forgot to put highlighter on, so that's a lie. I need to put highlighter on my nose and I need to put my jewellery on. I'm gonna do now, I have a haul from like Milan, and it's just kind of a few bits that I got before Milan, and then I have to do like a Valentine, I don't know if I've said this, a Valentine's Day outfit inspo. I just filmed my Milan haul, so now I have to put all these away, and then that's like my little haul of Valentine's Day outfits. Okay, I'm doing my little Valentine's Day haul now. I'll show you what I got. Who wants to see? I have on right now. Cute sometimes it just makes me look ginormous. This sequin dress, I think that is gonna be so pretty with like hair up. This is like the actual star of the show. Look at this, look at the bottom of it, it's just so pretty. Then like a less like out there kind of dress is this one, and it has the gold detail, and it's just, I don't know if it's a maxi or a midi. I think this would be cool with like a t-shirt over it and shorts, just a mesh burgundy skirt. Then this I think is like cool for like a festival or something. I don't know if it will look nice on me. I'm not really, yeah, like it, I know it won't. It's like a full like leopard catsuit, is that what they're called? But it has that gap on it, and I think that gap is what's throwing me off it. And then lastly, I just got this like white lace top. I actually think I have one of these. Cute for, you can't even see. Hello? Yeah, no. Thought that would be cute with like just like jeans. I'm gonna make that. I don't know about this picture though now because it's nearly 4 o'clock. So by the time I think we actually go to get them, I think it's gonna be dark. So I'm not sure what to do about that. I could like try find somewhere indoors to get it, but I haven't visioned on how I want it, and it's gonna trigger me if it's not like that. Okay, this dress was a little bit of a fail. I feel like it's just like too big that it's like, I don't know, it just looks weird. It's nice from the back though. Done filming that. I actually only just did the dresses for the video because I thought it looked better than doing like the skirt with like a different top and the top with different bottoms. And I need to get, this is what I need to get a picture and a video in. It's so cute, like actually the cutest hoodie ever. Just putting away all these clothes. I'm gonna have to put them upstairs though because I'm like mid getting rid of like half of my clothes, but I haven't done my drawer that I keep like all like my going out stuff. So that drawer, like nothing else is gonna fit in that wardrobe, so I'm gonna just put these upstairs for now until I figure out what to do with them. Well, I need to go through that drawer obviously and put some things up on Vinted. So I'm just gonna clean this up, and then I need to clean my desk and stuff. It's actually so nice on. Like Loki would wear that out. I thought I'd hate it on me, but it was actually like really nice. Okay, this is the outfit. I can't tell if I look like a little boy or not, but I think it's cute. I think this hoodie is so sick. And then I'm doing my little Louis Vuitton that I have all the charms on. And then I'm gonna do these glasses. I think these are so cool. I literally lost a pair of these and I had to order another one because I think they're the coolest ever. They're literally from Shein. Boy, can you see me? Less boy and more like cool girl. Hopefully. These drawers could have been like a little bit bigger, but whatever. I got a HelloFresh box, so I need to try to get stories for this. I need to post 3 Instagrams. I might make a TikTok of it as well. Why does the quality look so grainy? What the hell? Vegetarian food, which I feel like I didn't know about. Like I've never seen anyone get vegetarian stuff. So this is what I got. I'm so excited to try it. I literally cannot cook for the life of me though. We just got pictures on this little step.
We got pictures. Hello.
And we did a video of me taking pictures, and now I'm gonna make Danny do a get dressed. Not a get dressed with me.
Do what?
An outfit of today.
For
Look
me?
how cool this is. Not for me.
Oh.
And then Danny has to get a video because Danny's been a slacker.
Oh no. I posted it already today.
Did you?
Yeah.
I didn't see anything.
Oh well, keep up to date. Do better.
So here's me and here's Danny, and we're the cutest ever, of course.
Yeah, look great.
Okay, go on. Flex.
Okay. Today, starting from the top, we're gonna take things up. Grid hat. I was gonna go for black because I'm wearing a black. Also grid, but then I said no, I'm gonna go for a grey and grey. Grid, grid, grid. Yeezys. Everlast socks. iPhone 12.
Very good. Danny manipulated me into stopping my Sunday reset and bringing me out for film.
Mia agreed and she lied and she said she had no other plans. And I said, if you have any plans, I'll just bring you home. But she said, no, I don't. And she's the one that wanted to come here.
It was his idea though.
What?
It's your idea.
Yeah, but you agreed.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna say no.
Yeah, so I rest my case.
I'm just spending quality time with her.
Sunday reset mozzarella sticks.
I'm gonna reset your life.
That's fucking evil.
Yo chat, look at this. Danny is doing a who can get the most food challenge.
Look.
This is Luna.
And there's more coming.
Might be 2 days later, but today I want to do like, I got a new journal. This little burgundy one from February. I want to get my shit together. I think this is the cutest journal ever. So I'm gonna go and set out my month for February. We have like your little month set up. So I'm gonna fill this out because I already have some things for February that I need to remember. Oh, got a HelloFresh box. So I tried it last night. It's actually so good, like, and I'm such a picky eater. So I'm gonna make a little HelloFresh meal. Look, we're gonna do a vlog for TikTok. Making the cherry tomato pasta. Had to pass it on. I'm doing a cooking with me. Because supposedly I'm a chef. Oh, of course. This thing's too heavy. And the kitchen is twisting like a stir fry. This is going in. Stock, vegetable stock. Ooh, I didn't know stock was that color. Is peas in it. Look chat, this is it. It's actually really nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. I feel like it was a lot more relaxed than my last one, but I suppose I was going out my last one, so a little bit different. I'll see how this goes, see if I like it, see if I want to keep these type of videos up. I don't know. Hope you enjoyed though.